Welcome to Nicheur. Don't forget to subscribe. Visit our website www.nicheur.com. Hey there, welcome to Nicheur. I'm Harry, and I'm passionate about education, entertainment, and gameplay. Here on this channel, you'll find in-depth tutorials, fun challenges, and gameplay all about. Check out some of our best moments. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, so make sure to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to join our awesome community. I'm excited to share this journey with you, so let's get started. Our services, digital marketing strategies are essential for thriving businesses in the modern digital landscape. Here are key strategies to consider: content marketing, creating valuable, relevant content to attract and engage your target audience. Build trust and authority in your niche. Search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing your website and content for search engines to improve organic search rankings. Social media marketing, leveraging social media platforms to connect with your audience, promote your content, and build your brand. Analytics and data analysis, monitoring and analyzing your digital marketing efforts. Performance data helps refine strategies and improve effectiveness. Combining a well-rounded digital marketing strategy can significantly enhance your online presence, drive traffic, and boost conversions. Stay adaptable and continuously optimize your plan to stay ahead in the dynamic digital marketing landscape. Other topics: creating educational content involves developing materials that facilitate learning and provide valuable information engagingly and effectively. Photoshop is a powerful and versatile image editing software developed by Adobe. It's widely used by photographers, graphic designers, and digital artists for various tasks. Gameplays refer to recorded or live footage of someone playing a video game. These can be shared on various platforms, such as YouTube, Twitch, and social media. Creating entertaining content involves crafting materials that capture the audience's attention, evoke emotions, and provide enjoyment. Thanks for watching. Likes, comment, subscribe. Visit our website, www.nicheur.com.